Heavy cream is used for pastry fillings, toppings, and piping. So, what to make with heavy cream? Please do not throw it, since a small amount of it can make any dessert more delicious. In addition to that, 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of butter can substitute for it. However, not if used to make it into whipping cream. Facts about heavy cream. It has at least 36% to 40% milk fat, which makes it a great thickening agent, and it holds its shape excellently. As a result, it is widely utilized to create whipped cream. Only it can be whipped into peaks, since other liquids do not have sufficient fat content. For instance, whole milk contains a fat content of less than 3.5%. Because of this, it is not as thick as heavy cream. An ounce of heavy cream has 41 milligrams of cholesterol, and it is rich in vitamin D and vitamin A. It is crucial to maintain it cold throughout the baking process, since it will not whip if it is not cold enough. What to make with heavy cream? It can be made into a frosting when mixed with a stabilizer. Do not over-whip it, since too much beating can result in it turning into butter. As a substitute for it, you can use milk by diluting it with a small amount of water. Make sure to use half a cup of water and half a cup of heavy cream for every cup of whole milk. Want to add flavor to your coffee? Since it freezes and thaws excellently, pour your heavy cream into an ice cube tray, then freeze it overnight. Afterward, use the frozen cubes for your iced coffee. To make homemade ricotta cheese, adding salt and lemon juice to hot boiling heavy cream, and it will be spreadable. On top of that, you can create handshaken ice cream with sugar, vanilla extract, and cream in a resealable bag. Afterward, store the resealable bag in a bigger bag with salt and ice. For 10 to 15 minutes, shake the bag, then freeze. Scones and biscuits. To achieve that remarkable texture, creamy and delectable taste, use heavy cream in scones and biscuits. Pastry pipings and fillings. Heavy cream can be whipped and utilized as piping for baked goods such as cakes and cookies. Whipped cream. Mix cold heavy cream with a small amount of sugar, maple syrup, honey, and vanilla. Then, beat on high till it results in a stiff peak. Afterward, use it as a delicious topping for coffee and fresh fruits, especially berries. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.